So, as you can see, my hair has gotten a light yellowish tone and I've also got roots. So I thought to myself, let's visit my all-time favorite hair salon, my all-time favorite hairstylist again. And hairstylist. Let's visit the lovely Reina. And that's what we're going to do right now. Let's get close.
No.
So this is my new hair color, as you can see. We wanted to go for pink and violet, of course.
Yes.
Now we're gonna cut everything off. Yes. This is the master. Hier. Master. Macht er quasi. Macht er quasi alles.
Cool. Okay. Cool.
The trusted hair salon. You know where to go? Sag mal hello to Denise. Say hi to my new friend.
You?
New? Yes, you're very new.
Okay. I'm so new.
She is brand new. But I love her anyways. We're going to check out not all the Christmas markets, but a lot of Christmas markets now.
In Munich.
In Munich, because Munich has a ton of Christmas markets. I think they have 10-ish. This is where the magic happens. So many people. It's so busy here. Yes. But we will crush and fight through all of them anyways.
We try.
Gonna bash away everyone that stands in our way, on our way between us and mulled wine and yummy snacks. This tent where people are mysteriously disappearing. Let's see what they got. Ooh. Wow. And look at the roof. What did you just tell me? What did you just tell me?
I don't know.
We're not even done with the half of it. We're still fighting to get through the mattress. Let us out, please.
Now we have space. Space is always fine.
Here. Space, wonderful.
We will stay here.
This is so pretty. Sowas finde ich cool. Mit Bedeutung. Pink Christmas! Woo!
Meine Haare sehen jetzt richtig auch aus.
Crazy. Oh, es riecht so gut.
Bad service would be.
Meine Haare schon extrem.
It's so busy that we already want to go. But first we try to get some food. Ja, jetzt. Is it yummy? Yes. Was it worth the wait? I'm not sure. But we got to try it for the first time. Well, I think it's pretty much closed. Aber sieht cool aus trotzdem. Müssen wir mal hin, wenn er offen hat. Yes, I see them. I can see them. Baumschüttel. Ja. Okay. Wir haben Baumstriezel. Geil. Das ist voll lecker. Ist aber noch arschheiß. You asked me what Baumstriezel is, right? I think it's yeast dough, Hefeteig, and baked and with caramel on top, and it's crispy and soft and warm and yummy. It's sweet. Oh, meine Nase ist so rot. Noses are red.
But it's okay.
Feet are blue. And I love Baumstriezel and it loves you too.
Oh, das hast du aber schön gesagt. Super, ganz toll. Und so richtig, also schon echt. Meine Nase ist auch ein bisschen rot. Bitte?
Now she's talking in German, I know.
Yes, but I have a mix from German and English.
How do you like? It's your first time trying Baumstriezel.
It's very nice.
Mm.
You have to taste.
It's very soft and here it's crispy. Oh ja, die Diamanten haben sie wieder. Die Kristalle haben sie wieder. Boah, warte, lass mal ranzoomen. Crazy. Wahnsinn. Boah. Das ist ja verrückt. Die gehen voll ab. So.
Okay. Deine Stadt?
Meine Stadt oder deine Stadt?
Yeah.
Right now we have so much space. Not many people, but the crowd is coming and waiting for us. I am scared. Spirale. Diese Aussicht. Ja, ja. Mach ich gleich. Hier die kleinen Pupsis.
Alright. Es ist okay, wenn wir Stevie Wonder covern. Okay, das
Das ist so cool. That's the problem if you are taking pictures. If you're a photographer or videographer, you never get there on time. You always have to wait for those people.
Yes.
I know it's annoying, but it's an art form.
It's so crazy with this person. Oh my goodness.
Das finde ich, sieht jetzt richtig aus wie Märchen.
Das stimmt. White Rabbit.
Gönn dir.
Hau drauf.
Ich will erstmal, dass du probierst. Damit ich probieren kann.
Aha.
Ganz selbstlos. Ist gut? I love it. Ja. So, I'm already back home. I'm gonna leave some. I'm gonna put some pictures, some footage of my hair in natural lighting. I'm really happy with the color. As much as I know, it's like a caramel gray blonde, something like that. And yeah, I'm really happy that I finally got a haircut. The last one was in August, so already 4 months ago, and my hair had gotten pretty long, and if I wouldn't have curled it, it would have laid flat down like yesterday in the morning, as you saw. So I'm very happy. I got look how short it is. I think it looks good. I'm very happy. Thank you again to Reina. And I also wanted to show you guys, I also bought this hair mask. It has those violet gray pigments, so my hair stays longer in the bright blonde, and so it doesn't turn yellowish as fast as it did before. I hope you enjoyed the video, and how Denise and I were checking out all those Christmas markets. Munich has a lot of them. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was actually the first time this year that I visited one of the Christmas markets in Munich. So I got to drink my first mulled wine. Hopefully not the last. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget the thumbs up. And also leave a nice comment. You know, we have to be nice to each other. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.